Hello friends, welcome to Paddu's Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make vegetable burgers as healthy as possible than store-bought. When we make it at home, we have more control over the ingredients. Like we can choose whole wheat buns without maida, incorporate more fresh vegetables, reduce salt, sugar, unhealthy fat, avoid deep frying, etc. We will be making the spread also with fresh ingredients. So watch the video till the end. Let's get started. This is 2 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Mix of green and purple cabbage. I have minced it. 2 medium-sized carrot grated using the fine grater. Half cup of peas. This is cooked peas. You can use frozen peas also. You can also add vegetables like beetroot, sweet corn, etc. Coriander leaves finely chopped. This is 2 medium-sized potatoes boiled and grated. This is 3/4 cup of white poha. I have washed it and drained the water completely. Homemade breadcrumbs as needed. This is 2 tablespoons of corn flour mixed with little water. Mix it well as the flour gets settled in the bottom. These are the spices. We need red chili powder as needed, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, finely chopped garlic 1 teaspoon, finely chopped chilies. I have removed the seeds. You can skip this if you are making for kids. Grated ginger. This is bottled masala. I am using it because I like the flavor. You can skip this totally or use any other masala like pav bhaji masala or channa masala. Let's start making the vegetable patties first. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute it well. You can skip garlic if you do not use it. Now add the onions. Saute until onions turn light brown. Add salt for the onions. As you can see, onions have changed color slightly. Now add all the vegetables. You do not have to cook the vegetables. We are sauteing it just to remove the moisture to some extent. Add the boiled and grated potatoes, all the spices, coriander leaves. It should not be wet. The soaked poha. This also helps to remove moisture. Mix everything well. Check for seasoning. If needed anything, you can add now. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The mixture has become a little dry. I am turning off the heat. Let this cool a little. This has become warm. Now take 1/3 cup of the mix. Make a tight ball. Flatten it in the shape of a disc. Dip it in the corn flour slurry and coat with breadcrumbs. You can repeat the same process by dipping it in corn flour slurry and coating with breadcrumbs another time if you feel the cutlets will break. Make only needed patties. This mix can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. So you can make when you need it. I am going to make only 3 now. Now this is ready. We are not going to deep fry this. Instead, we are going to shallow fry this. Heat oil and place the patties. Fry on medium-low heat. Flip it over to the other side and fry both sides until nice golden brown color. This is done. I am turning off the heat. Let it be in the heat of the pan. We will make the spread now. In a mixie, I am adding 10 to 12 soaked cashew nuts, This has been soaking for an hour. 4 to 5 small garlic cloves, 60 grams of paneer, lemon juice, Greek yogurt 3 tablespoons, salt and pepper powder to taste. Now blend this to a smooth paste. Now we will divide this into two parts. One, I am adding green chutney. I always have green chutney at home. You can check my green chutney recipe if interested. In another, you can add chili powder or you can soak dry red chilies, make a paste and add. Our spread is ready. Now everything is kept ready here. These are whole wheat buns. These patties are loaded with vegetables and are very healthy. These are the two homemade spreads we made now. All fresh vegetables. This is Amul cheese slice. Now we have to assemble the burger. Cut the buns into half. We will apply the spread we made. For the other side, I am applying the chili spread. Place lettuce leaves. Place the cucumber, onion and tomato. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Place the vegetable patties, the cheese slice. Close it with the other slice. Now heat butter in a tawa. Press it down nicely and toast it slightly until the cheese melts a little. Alternatively, you can slightly toast the buns before assembling as I have done for this. Assemble the burger. Spread butter and toast slightly until cheese melts a little. Enjoy healthy and delicious veggie burger at home. Much easier than you think. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Paddu's Kitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.